Napaka-importante pag nagninegosyo ka is dapat nagsaset ka ng tinatawag na goal. Kasi tandaan mo, ang goal, hindi naman dahil mahirap siya kunin. Madaming mga tao kaya ayaw mag-set ng goal. Either, sabi nila, masyado daw mataas, kaya hindi na nakukuha. Or minsan naman, sobrang liit, hindi pa rin nakukuha. Kasi because it's not about the size of the goal. It's about the question doon, it's more on, may goal ka ba? In this video, ituturo namin sa iyo, at tuturo ko pala sa iyo, kung paano i-hit yung goal mo. May tinatawag kasing long-term goal at may tinatawag na short-term goal. Pag sinabing long-term goal, ito yung talagang in your wildest dream. Alam niyo ba, pag ginawa niyo si iWorth, dalawa lang klaseng pwedeng mangyari sa iyo. Una, makuha mo yung pangarap mo. Yan yung pinaka-worst na. Yung pangalawa, in your wildest dream. Di ba? Kasi yung tipo, grabe, alam mo ba, dati kinikwento lang sa akin, pero yung may experience mo talaga na, wow, talagang wildest dream. Bakit? Pag bigla na lang, alam mo yun, mabibili mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo man maisip na mabibili. Mapupunta mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo man maisip na puntahan. Ni sa pangarap mo, hindi ka nasama dun eh. Pero because, di ba? Because may nag-set ka ng goal at pinaniwalaan mo tong goal nito, everything will happen. Pero, in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo, syempre, let's start sa smaller goal. Alam niyo ba, ang iWorth, dinesign po talaga yan na kung titingnan nyo how you achieve your goal is step by step ang ginawa ko natin. Ang mo ipapangarapin, yung malaking bagay, yun yung maliit, hindi mo na-achieve. Sabi nga, every small goal na na-achieve mo, it add confidence sa iyo to achieve more. So, nakaka-excite kasi sabi ko nga, ang iWorth, dinesign natin ng ganun. So, ano yung first goal mo? So, syempre, ang first goal mo is set mo yung sarili mo, dapat within 2 weeks, you have to finish all the video trainings na pinoprovide namin sa iyo. In 2 weeks, kailangan may little understanding and comprehension or let's say, sabihin natin kung mas maganda, mastery ng negosyo na meron ka. Kasi ang isang bagay, pag hindi natin alam, babalik tayo ulit sa umpisa, hindi ko natin magagawa. So, sabi nga, ang pinakaunang goal mo talaga is makatapos ka. Di ba? Sa school, bago pangarapin mga subweldo, tapusin mo muna yung mga dapat mo tapusin. And isama nyo po sa goal nyo na talagang magawa mo siya kasi setting goal is already a sign na you will committed to set an schedule. Tama? So, pag sinet mo yung schedule mo, automatic dahil may goal ka. Kaya ang tao, hindi nagko-commit, hindi nagsaset ng activities, simply because wala po yung goal. Okay? Kung ikaw yung tipong tao may goal, and that is the first thing you have to do, is to goal nyo na to finish this series of video training program na meron po ang iWorth. Second goal mo, may tinatawag ho tayong upgrade sa negosyo natin. Tama? So, paano to? Ito sa mga lower package to. Yung lower package yun na dinesign mo natin yan is for people can get in agad. Alam mo yun? Parang to be part agad. Yun yung purpose talaga nun. Or, let's say, yung lower package is for, sabihin natin, pang estudyante, pang wala talagang budget. But, ang main reason po doon is to get the position. Yung lower package yung minsan nandyan mo yan para to get the positioning. Okay? At the same time, para pangalawa is yung mga estudyante nga at mga regular empleyado talagang walang budget, walang trabaho, at least they can start. Pero sabi nga, you cannot maximize the income potential pag nandun ka lang. Ang good news yan, at least mag-set ka ng goal, kung lower package ka, may tinatawag tayong 60 days or 2 months to hit that upgrade. So, napaka-imposible po na hindi mo natin mahito yan na for you to upgrade kasi bakit? Upon starting mo, napapaikot ka na eh. You have a business already. So, dahil may business ka na, so basically, kung may ginugol ka talaga, huwag mo muna goal yun lang. So, sige, one step at a time. So, mag-upgrade ka muna. Okay? So, igawin po ninyo yun. May mga ibang tao nag-upgrade in just 1 week. May iba naman, 2 weeks. May iba talaga sagadan, 60 days. Pero ang importante, you have to prioritize to upgrade. Kasi bakit? Sa upgrade isang trabaho lang, ma-maximize mo yung income na meron ka. Yun po yung technique ko doon. Tsaka iba pa rin yung benefits. At iba rin kung nasa level up ka ng package na meron ka. Okay? Kasi it's for your own benefits and business mo. At kung naniniwala ka talaga yayaman ka, bakit you will settle for less? Kung you can get yung pinakamataas. Tama po ba? Yun yung second goal. Ngayon, ang third goal mo, series naman yan. Once you become the elite o yung mataas, ang next goal mo naman sa set mo is to become a PEA. Ano yung PEA? Premium Elite Associate. So, pag ikaw PEA ka, ano yung mga goal? O di ba sabi nga dito, ang goal mo pag PEA ka is for you to get 5 elites or 2,500 points combination. Ibig sabihin, each package na meron mo tayo na magiging part, may corresponding points. Merong 200 pag business pack, I think 80 points pag starter. Yun yung pangalawang option mo, you have two options. So, una, pwede you get 5 elites, automatic 2-5, or pangalawa, it's a combination. Okay? Pag sabi combination, either business pack o elite pack, yung points na pag na-accumulate within 90 days. Yan o. Kasi tandaan nyo, ang goal nyo, kung makikita mo, may SMART yan. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Kung titingnan nyo yung iWork, yung step-by-step, may time, realistic, attainable, may nakagawa, diba? And specific yung target. Nakuha nyo? So, once you hit that, automatic, you can enjoy. Kasi pag PEA ka, maniwala ka, everything will be PEA under your organization. Kasi sabi nga, copy business to. Kung ikaw mismo hindi PEA, paano sila magpe-PEA? So, if you have further question, you have to ask your leaders and upline about hitting that goal. And next, di ba, pag nag-PEA ka, nakakuha ka ng 5, for sure, tanong, magpe-PEA rin ba sila? Yes. So, pag nag-PEA sila, doon na mag-start na makakapag-rank advance ka, doon na magsisimula yung pag-build ng organization mo. And after that, you set goals from the incentive, from the rank advancement. Doon ka na makakapokus. Kasi pag meron ka nakikitang step by step how to get that. Tama? So, it's easy to achieve your goal. Isa lang masasabi ko sa inyo po, you cannot eat the whole chicken. All you have to do para makain mo to is to chop into small slices. Okay, so yan po yung matitip ko sa inyo. And if you want more about how to set goals and how to achieve it, basically, you can attend some of the workshop and trainings na meron ng iWork na it's a longer versions, di ba? O kaya you ask your mentors, lalo na yung mga mentors and uplines nyo na talaga nakadirect sa inyo. Okay? So, good luck on your goals and hope you achieve everything that you need dito sa iWork. Lalo na yung mga mentors and uplines nyo na talaga nakadirect sa inyo. Okay? So, good luck on your goals and hope you achieve everything that you need dito sa iWork.